Trader Crypto Podcast. This is the Trader Cobb Crypto Podcast.
Guys, I'm going to teach you a bit more about mastering price action using moving averages. As you'll know, I put everything into price action. As a matter of fact, to the point of which if somebody said to me, Craig, you can have any indicators or all indicators that you like on a chart, but not price. Or you can have price and no indicators. Well, I would take price with no indicators, hands down, and I'd still make money. And here's the reason why. Price action is truth. It is price measured by time. And what you'll hear as a reoccurring theme throughout all of my content, whether it be free or paid, is that you've got two choices when you're trading in these markets. You can buy and you can sell. And if you're not coming back to objectively making decisions around those two outcomes, you're not trading, you're just having a bit of a crack. We're looking at the moving averages, and as you'll be aware, price doesn't just move straight line up or straight line down. It moves in waves, and you'll hear me throughout all these presentations. I talk about trading as a language. If you learn the language, you can speak it, you can communicate, and you can actually get around. If you try and demand the market to do what you want to do and you fail to grasp what the market is telling you, you will fail. It's a fact. Just the same as if you go into a country and start yelling in English and they don't understand that, you're not going to get very far. It works in a rhythm. It's like a wave. It's like a dance. It's beautiful if you let it be, and if you understand it, you can make beautiful things. Price comes first. All indicators, all moving averages, everything else you include on a chart is secondary to price. That's why I put so much emphasis in price action. So therefore, the use of these moving averages are important if they're used correctly. There are many lessons that I'll teach, and there's plenty of other videos that you can go through and watch, and I'll let you find it, but true support and resistance is horizontal, and that is it. I don't use sloping trend lines because I'm an objective trader. I'm an outcome driven trader, and I don't like subjectivity, and sloping trend lines are completely subjective. You can move them however you want. Just believe me. I challenge you. Go and check it. Do your own research for sure. But you'll find out that I'm on the money here, and this is a fact of nature. Now, this is not the entire strategy, because I do have a strategy that I teach in my courses called the Crypto Cradle. This is not the entire strategy. This is one tick and amongst 17 ticks that you must have, or that you can have, for this trading strategy in my systematic checklist approach. Now, this is what I'm seeing in trading right now, especially in cryptocurrency space. There are so many people out there trying to bake chocolate cakes without even knowing what a chocolate cake looks like. And the problem is you've got all these new cooks, not chefs because they're not qualified, cooks out there trying to tell you how to make this chocolate cake, and they don't know how to make it either. Now, I don't teach you technical analysis because it's just a wide amount of rubbish. What I teach you is the actual strategies that I use day in and day out, and have done for the last 11 years to have a successful trading career and run a trading business. The markets are a language, guys. You are learning a new language. If you just try and scream into a little Spanish bar and scream at them in English that you want to drink and they don't know how to speak English, you're not going to get very far. If you learn the language, if you have a teacher, if you take your time, things are a lot easier for you. I'm not going to teach you everything you need to know about technical analysis. You might feel like you get massive value from a program like that because there was so much content in it. Who cares? When you leave that course, you end up confused because you don't know how to use it. They've taught you about 1,000 different things, but they've not taught you how to actually make it work. Why cut the crap? I focus on what you need to know to make it work, because technical analysis by itself is worth absolutely nothing. It's the combination of the words to make a sentence. Just the same as I can't communicate with you with one word, just the same as I can't communicate with you if I just say random things. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, the market is a language, and I will teach you how to learn that language, because I will teach you trading strategy. It's the combination of words that come together that make something that works. Now, I've been doing this for years and years and years and years. What am I going to do? It's all about cutting that nonsense out and giving you a structured, straightforward set of rules that will give you an outcome. Hey guys, I wanted to give you something for nothing. As I have been with a lot of the content that I put out there, I'm just providing free content to you guys because I want you to have a better understanding of things. There's a lot of rubbish out there. I'm just trying to provide you with a nice steady stream of good quality information based around solid principles for real outcome-based trading decisions. The most powerful tool that I can teach you is price action, guys. It's pure. It's not subjective. And listen carefully. All indicators are derived from price. Therefore, they lag. All right? All indicators are an indication of where price has been. So price comes first. All indicators come secondary. That's why I say that the most valuable tool I can teach you is price action. I need you to understand that and understand how to read price to the extent that I do, because you can't do without it either. And it's going to take you some time, and it's going to be a bit of work. But you know what? Anything that's worthwhile having, it's worthwhile working for. And guess what? I'm here to help you. I'm here to answer your questions. I'm here to guide you. So it's cool. I'm not talking about the names. The names mean jack. I'm talking about go deeper. What does it actually mean? Don't gloss over the shiny shit, guys. Get deep. What is it telling you? What is that candle actually saying to you? That's where the magic happens. Trading with the trend. Everything I do is trading with the trend. Never do I actually, again, 90% of my trading is trading with the trend. Probably more than 90%. All the strategies that you'll see here for now are trend following strategies.
The Trader Cobb Crypto Podcast. Check out TraderCobb.com because experience matters.